Good morning, dear aspirant. To start with today's news, unexpected connection between nickel toxicity cholesterol has been found. This comes under GS3 Science and Tech. So, a team from the Georgia University had published a report in a journal, PLOS Genetics. They discovered that exposing mammalian and fungal cells to heavy metal, that is nickel, and that resulted in sterol deficiency. We'll see. Actual nickel is a chemical element with a symbol Ni and atomic number 28. It is a silvery white metal known for its hardness, ductility and resistance to corrosion. Nickel ore is a pentlandite and garnierite. So nickel role in biological system, it has its own significance in plants, bacteria and fungi. It is very much essential for certain enzymes and help in nitrogen metabolism. For example, the fungus Cryptococcus neoformans uses urease, which relies on nickel to help it colonize and spread effectively. Allergy, allergen and carcinogen. In human, nickel is known contact allergen and a potential carcinogen indicates its potential toxicity. So, sterols in cell membranes, sterols like cholesterol in humans, ergosterol in fungi are critical for maintaining the rigidity of cell membranes. Thus, sterols differ between organisms and the health implications is there in mammals. High cholesterol level in the bloodstream can lead to plaque formation within arteries, increasing the risk of cardiovascular diseases like heart attacks and strokes. So to manage this, drugs called statins are used to inhibit cholesterol biosynthesis. Antifungal treatments targeting ergosterol, like ergosterol biosynthesis inhibition. Drugs like azoles and polyenes target ergosterol or cell integrity without affecting human cell. By selectively inhibiting this synthesis, these drugs are effective antifungal agents. Nickel tolerance in Cryptococcus neoformans. So, unexpected tolerances. Researchers at the University of Georgia discovered that a wild-type strain of C. neoformans could withstand high concentrations of nickel sulfate. So, discovery of STRI1. Among various gene mutants, only those lacking the STRI1 protein were highly sensitive to nickel. Okay, then RBI, Reserve Bank of India. This comes under GS3 economy. RBI has invited application for the post of Deputy Governor in Patra, who is in charge of monetary policy and a member of Central Bank's Monetary Policy Committee, is scheduled to retire in 2025 January. RBI was established in April 1, 1935 under the provision of RBI Act 1934. Remember, RBI has established before independence. And the central office of the RBI was initially published in Calcutta but was permanently moved to Mumbai in 1937 itself. Central office is where the governor sits and where policies are formulated. Though originally privately owned, then actually initially it is private bank only, but then nationalized in 1949. Reserve Bank is fully owned by the Government of India. Functions are to regulate the issue of banknotes and keeping of reserves with the view of securing monetary stability in India and generally to operate the currency and credit system. To have a modern monetary policy framework to meet the challenge of an increasingly complex economy. To maintain price stability while keeping in mind the objective of growth, RBI affairs are governed by a central board of directors. The board is appointed by the Government of India in keeping with the RBI Act. The directors are appointed for a period of 4 years. Official directors, governor and not more than 4 deputy governors. Non-official directors are nominated by the government, and there are 10 directors from various fields and 2 government officials, and 4 directors, 1 each from 4 local boards. Global warming, this comes under GS3 environment. So next time will be the time of the year when countries get into huddle for the annual 2-week climate conference in Azerbaijan's capital Baku. So global warming is something that a long-term increase in the Earth's average surface temperature due to human activities. The IPCC report reveals Earth has warmed by about 1.1 degrees Celsius. Greenhouse gas emission, primary cause of global warming is the enhanced greenhouse gas effect resulting from the increased concentration of GHG in the atmosphere. India is the third largest emitter of greenhouse gas globally. Greenhouse gas emission refer to the release of gases into the atmosphere that trap heat. These gases allow sunlight to enter the atmosphere but prevent some of the heat from escaping back into space. Greenhouse gases CO2, methane, nitrous oxide and fluorinated gases is there, and new collective quantified goal on climate finance is a new annual financial target that developed countries and must meet from 2025 onwards. Try to answer this question. Nickel is classified as which of the following in terms of human health? Which year was the RBI nationalized? Discuss the significance of India's Green Building Initiative and the role of Indian Green Building Council in promoting sustainable development. How do certification like IGBCs for facilities like Durgesh Aranya Zoological Park support India's environmental goals? So we have a dedicated current affairs program which include 12-month current affairs classes, monthly magazine, regular test, etc. Thank you. Have a great day.